In this video, we will see the steps to follow when your JioRemote is not working. Firstly, check the remote for any physical damage or water spillage. If yes, call on the toll-free number 1800-896-9999 from your registered mobile number and generate a JioRemote replacement request. If not, proceed with the following steps. Remove and reinsert the AAA batteries or use the new AAA batteries. Press OK key to check if the red light on the remote is blinking. If it blinks continuously, the remote is unpaired. To pair, press 7+9 for 5 seconds within 1 meter distance from Jio set-top box and then press any key to complete the pairing. Now, reboot your set-top box. If the problem persists, contact Jio Care and generate a request for service to resolve JioRemote issues by calling on Jio Fiber toll-free number, that is 1800-896-9999, or write to us at jiofibercare@jio.com. In this video, we understood the steps to follow when your JioRemote is not working. Thank you.